You're with Debra Kay Levi. Get with the program in a place called Connecticut. I'm looking at the Weather Channel, and their
the Philippines is due to visit the worst affected
wonderful
to
site
see for
here.
himself the
And
aftermath of.
Really need to check it out, please. It's the Super Typhoon Haiyan Yolanda, and how you can help.
This most destructive storm, the most powerful storm this country has ever seen. Reporting for the Weather Channel, Angus.
So, this is published on the 9th. I'm sharing Weather Channel's wonderful site here, and how you can help. You can look at this whole entire site by going to Weather Channel and looking for Super Typhoon Haiyan and how you can help.
Music is so good. We've got these